Introducing the Lindley Beach Hot Tub from Blue Whale Spa, where luxury meets relaxation in the comfort of your own backyard. With seating for 6, including 5 comfortable seats and 1 indulgent lounger, the Lindley Beach Hot Tub offers ample space for you and your loved ones to unwind and rejuvenate. Take control of your relaxation experience with the Balboa TP200 control panel, providing easy access to customize your settings. And with 36 invigorating jets powered by the dual-speed WP300 pump, every soak is a journey to blissful serenity. Enhance your experience with 3 tranquil fountains and 16 mesmerizing LED lights, creating a soothing ambience for your evening retreats. Plus, enjoy the convenience of included insulation for energy efficiency, Bluetooth speakers for your favorite tunes, and complimentary matching steps and insulating cover. Elevate your relaxation, entertain your guests, and make unforgettable memories, all with free delivery and professional installation included. With the Lindley Beach Hot Tub from Blue Whale Spa. Contact us today to make every day a spa day.